Workers would be able to secure unsecured loans.
The announcement by President of the National Trade Union Centre, Watson Duke, to all of NATUC's 60,000 members following months of planning. Applications for these $5,000 unsecured loans have already been forwarded to WiPay for approval, and NATUC General Secretary Michael Annisette says funds should be disbursed as early as next week. He says this loan is different from a bank or a credit union, which would require collateral, and sought to explain how someone qualifies for the loan.
So it's two categories: continuous employment and permanent employment. And what will qualify you is salary deductions. Salary deductions. And we are guaranteeing, based on our system that we put in place and online, that you will be able to get the facilities and your loans approved and the monies within your hands or in your bank account within 72 hours.
Meanwhile, Chief Executive Officer of WiPay, Aldwin Wayne, is confident that these emergency loans would be able to be repaid easily. He says interest on the loan is just around 2.1%, as opposed to banks which are upwards of 15%.
So, partnering with NATUC, allowing for salary reduction, we are confident that you could pay it back because you are employed, and the salary reduction through your employer is going to facilitate the loan.
And Mr. Annisette says while this initiative is being done due to concern for workers during the pandemic, it would also assist employees who have not had any salary increase in the last decade.
Because government employees have not received any wage increases going back, in some instances, to 15, 12, and 10 years. That is a reality in Trinidad and Tobago. And we see this as bridging that gap.
NATUC says the loan facility would be reviewed after this pilot project to determine whether it should be expanded. Sunil Lalla, TTT News.